In this video, you're going to learn how to replace the cabin air filter on a 2007 Honda Accord. This is the replacement filter. And that's what the filter actually looks like. It's just a bunch of pleated material. There's not much of a frame, if at all. The frame is actually in the car already. It is not replaced when you replace the filter. The cabin air filter is what filters the air that's coming into your car when you're running the heater, running the air conditioner, even if just the fan in the car is running. So it's filtering out dust, and particularly important if you have allergies, filtering out pollen. So it's a good idea to replace this every year or so. So the first step is you have to open up the glove box and remove all the contents. And there's just at the pinch the side, that this is just plastic, just pinch that. Now to get the glove box to fully swing down and out of the way, there is a retaining arm here, and there's a little actually knurled area here. You can just put your thumb and push, and it snaps out of the way, and the glove box swings down, exposing the area behind it, which is what we need. And this here is the front of the tray or frame that actually holds the cabin air filter. And on either side of it, there are two plastic retaining clips, and just push those in and you pull out the tray. And that actually is the cabin air filter. And you can see this one is long overdue for a change. And now we need to get the new filter cartridge into the frame. And note there's a airflow indicator here, and there's an airflow indicator on the filter. There's a little piece of plastic here, and the filter, the first pleat has to tuck down between it and the main body, which is kind of tricky. A flat blade screwdriver might help get that down in there. That side is good too. And once you have the new filter cartridge installed in the frame or tray, you simply take the assembly of the tray and the filter and slide it in until those retaining clips engage and click. Alright, to complete the job, just swing the glove box up until it engages. Then you need to take this retaining arm. There's a bar that goes across there, and you snap it in. And you are done, except for placing all the junk that goes in the glove box back in the glove box, and you're ready to enjoy some cabin air that's a little less full of dust and pollen.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. If you have questions or feedback, please leave a comment.